students, welcome back to your online classes. My name is Sabita Sharma, your economics teacher. Today I am with National Income chapter number 7 and this is my lecture number 1. In this chapter I will include number 1 introduction, second meaning and definition and third features of national income. First, introduction. Now the first very important question which is coming in our mind, who measure national income and how we measure the national income? So here the answer is, first time in India in 1949, National Income Committee marked the beginning of government efforts for regular completion of national income estimates. But at present, Central Statistical Organization compiles and publish data on national income and allied aggregates every year. So, in a simple way, what is the meaning of national income? National income refers to net value of all final goods and services produced by the normal residents of a country during an accounting year. Meaning and definition. Here with the meaning of national income. National income refers to the net value of all final goods and services. As in the meaning also, I said all final goods and services. Remember here, intermediate goods are not included in the national income. For example, bread is included, but the bread when we are making, we have to use wheat flour. That is not included in the national income because we are taking the final goods and services produced by the normal residents. Who are normal residents? Whose economic interest lies in the country and economic interest also lies in this particular country. Those who born and brought up in that particular country. So we are the normal residents of our country in an accounting year. It means in 1 year how much income we are earning, that is included in the national income. Or in a simple way we can say the total income of the nation is called national income. In real terms, national income is the flow of goods and services produced in an economy during a year. Definition. National Income Committee, a national estimates, measures the volume of commodities and services turned out during a given period counted without duplication. According to Professor A.C. Pigu, national dividend is that community including of course income derived from abroad which can be measured in money. According to Professor Irving Fisher, national dividend or income consists solely of services as received by ultimate consumer, whether from their material or from their human environment. Features of national income. Number 1, macroeconomic concept. National income is a macroeconomic concept. National income represents income of the economy as a whole rather than an individual income. Hence, it is a macroeconomic concept. Value of final goods and services. Remember here, it's very important class. The value of final goods and services. To avoid double counting. In national income, only the value of final goods and services produced in the economy are considered. The value of intermediate goods means raw material value is not considered. For example, while estimating production of shirt, there is no need to take the value of cotton because in shirt cotton value is already included. Okay, net aggregate value. This is very important class. Here the value of net means minus depreciation. When I will take your chapter where the measurement of national income is given, in that chapter individually I will explain with the help of formula what is the difference of gross and net. But here you only know that कि net value is included in the national income. It means depreciation is not included. Now what is the meaning of depreciation? Wear and tear capital assets. Net income from abroad. In the national income, net income from abroad is included. What is net income from abroad? It is the difference between export value and the import value, and net difference between receipt from abroad and payment made to abroad. Number 5, financial year. Very important. Our in India, we celebrate 1st January as our Happy New Year. But our financial year start from 1st April to 31st March. Okay, accounting to Hindu system, 1st April is a most important date. So we start our financial year as a 1st April to 31st March. So national income is always expressed with reference to time period. In India, it is from 1st April to 31st March. Flow concept. Remember, national income is a flow concept, as it shows flow of goods and services produced in an economy during a year. Money value. National income is always expressed in monetary term. Here we never express things which we cannot measure in terms of money. For example, good, bad, less, high. No, if you present in terms of money, that only included in the national income. So it represent only those goods and services which are exchanged for money. Thank you.